Yes, I do understand.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I've opened Microsoft Paint so that you can understand properly.
Okay, so
Okay.
it's
So suppose, yeah. So
I let go of the mouse.
your developer or your with whoever it is, that person is trying to build an application over here, all right, which is going to access your file explorer. Okay.
Right.
So this is suppose like your.
He doesn't know about the current problem. So can you mention what the current problem is that I'm experiencing?
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. I'll be mentioning it over here. So that person is creating this particular application from scratch, okay? And in order for this application to work properly with this file explorer over here, there needs to be proper connection between these two. There needs to be both-way connection, okay? So somehow what is happening is that this is, and by the way, this thing over here, this file explorer, this is an application from Microsoft, and this one over here, this is an application that your developer is trying to build. And in order for this application that your developer is building, for it to get hold of all the files that are there in your file explorer, which is a Microsoft product, there needs to be proper communication between these two. There needs to be proper calling and fetching of the file of the files and underlying programs. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is happening is that when that developer, when this application over here is trying to call this file explorer, they are not getting called properly, and that is why it is not getting logged in this application that your developer has built, and that is why you are not seeing anything on the file history when you open it. Okay. So the main reason is that there is no proper communication between this application that is built by your developer and the file explorer that is already there in your computer. That is the main problem that is there.
And you're saying that's causing my other, even whenever I don't use the application, it's causing my file history to just not work, period, and my file restore points are not working because of this too?
Yes.
So what could I do to resolve that fix the communication problem? What could I do?
That your developer has to work on it.
Even when I deleted it,
needs to build the proper connection.
Even when I deleted that app off my computer, it was still a problem. So how do I fix it? Because let's delete it right now, and I still don't know why it wouldn't allow me to.
No, I would suggest you not to delete it right now, because there might have been some link between the application that your developer has built and the file explorer that is already there. Okay, so in all of these things, your developer is better placed to answer you what that person has done, since I am not aware of how that person has built it and how
he's used C+.
So I'm not able to give you a proper answer regarding that.
He used C+. I'm not sure if that helps anything.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. But that's a programming language that you're telling me. So that's a very surface level thing. So that's just a programming language that that person has used to build this application. But there are many small details in all of these things which that person is better placed to answer you.
Okay, so don't delete the application, but let him know that there is not a proper level of communication between File Explorer and the application, and it's causing file history problems for me, such as not being able to create my restore point. Is that the way to explain it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So so there's so right now I think I need to send this video to him, and I don't think that there's like you said, I shouldn't delete the app, and I should just tell him what's going on. He's already chatting with me right now. Honestly, I just want to upload this video and send it to him, and I don't think there is anything else that I need. But how did they create that restore point for me the other day whenever the app was already on my computer?
Yeah, that was created manually. That was created manually, like I showed you over here.
I know, but can we create one manually again? Because I already had the app that day. Oh, and he told me to delete the old version of the app and to download this new version. And I don't know if I deleted the old version properly because the old version had a lot of glitches on it. And I mean, I tried to press the replace button whenever, because we didn't change the app's name. I tried to press the replace button, and I don't know if it replaced all the files properly. Like, that is that is there any way to check if there's two versions of this thing on there, or if I actually deleted it, like maybe in the recycle bin or something? Can we check for the? It's called File Finder.
No, but
This morning he told me to. He told me to delete the old version of the File Finder today. Like, okay.
No, let me tell you something. Please don't delete anything as of now. All right?
No. This morning.
Please don't delete anything.
You're not understanding. We do. Okay, he told me delete the old version. You're saying uninstall it? Is that what you meant to say?
So I did not say anything about uninstalling it.
This morning the developer this morning the developer told me delete the old version of the app. I created a new version. Just forget the old one. So I don't know if I deleted the old one properly. I don't. Did I have to uninstall it to make it go away, or because I just pressed the delete button? That's what I'm asking.
Let me see over here. Let me open the recycle bin.
It's called File Finder, and it was deleted today.
Yes, I'm clicking on it.
Oh, it's right. I see it. It's right there.
Yes, you see this?
No, that's that's not the right one. Yeah, so that's not the right one. That's the because I asked them for the source codes. Those are the source codes. Those are not the actual application. So then I have both versions of the application on my computer then. Because none of these files are saying. I mean, none of the item types say application on there. I think I have both versions, and it's messing me up.
Yes, whatever be the case, the problem is the application that is there on your computer. The problem is the application that has been built by the developer, and I explained to you over here on this video over here. So you can send this video recording to that person, and that person will be understanding.
Okay,
The main problem is the communication error over here.
Yeah, I want to call them right now. So I appreciate your help. I'm gonna go contact them. I'm gonna end the call now. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye. Jesus.